Are gold IRAs too risky? Well, that's what Nancy thought too, until her 401k dropped nearly 18% in just one quarter. And she realized her diversified portfolio wasn't protecting her at all. She's 67, lives just outside Fort Worth, Texas, and worked as a school administrator for over 30 years. After watching her savings get hit again and again, she rolled over $512,237 into a gold IRA. Not because she loves gold, but because she couldn't afford another hit. Her story might sound extreme, but what if I told you it's becoming more and more common? Now look, I'm not here to tell you gold is a magic fix. But if you're retired or getting close, and you've got $100,000 or more in a retirement account, you deserve to hear the facts. Because right now, there's a lot of fear and even more confusion. Let's break it down. First off, what even is a gold IRA? It's a self-directed IRA that lets you hold physical precious metals, like gold and silver, inside your retirement account, with all the same tax advantages. You're not betting on a single stock or hoping the market goes back up. You're owning a tangible asset that's held its value for thousands of years. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. The media loves to scream, gold is volatile, as if the stock market isn't. Remember 2022? The S&P 500 fell 19.4%. Tech stocks got hammered. Meanwhile, gold, it stayed steady. In fact, it was one of the only assets that didn't fall off a cliff. So is it risky or is it a hedge? That depends on your timeline and your goals. If you're 35, you've got decades to ride the ups and downs. But if you're retired or close, you don't get to hit reset. One major drop and you're not buying the dip. You're selling at a loss just to pay for groceries. That's exactly what Nancy wanted to avoid. She said it best. I didn't move to gold because I'm trying to get rich. I moved because I want to stay retired. She took that first step by requesting a free gold IRA guide. It explained everything without pressure, without gimmicks, and without some guy in a suit trying to sell her silver coins. Just a one-on-one educational call. That's it. Now here's the bigger picture. Title President Trump has already promised to revive American energy, manufacturing, and push back on inflation if reelected. That could mean major shifts in markets, winners and losers. Do you want your retirement tied to the guessing game of which sectors boom and which crash? Gold doesn't play that game. It's not tied to a CEO's mistake or a quarterly earnings miss. It's not affected by TikTok trends or tech layoffs. Gold is boring, in the best way possible. And in uncertain times, boring can be brilliant. Here's the truth. A gold IRA isn't for everyone. But if you're 55 or older, have $100,000 or more saved, and want to protect your retirement from inflation, bank failures, and Wall Street chaos, this is exactly the conversation you should be having right now. That's why the next step is simple. Click below to get your free gold IRA guide and book a quick no-pressure call with a specialist who will walk you through how it works. No obligation, no pushy sales pitch, just education. Nancy's journey started with that same free guide, and now her money's working for her, not against her. You worked hard to build your nest egg. Let's protect it for yourself and for the next generation. Don't wait for another headline to shake your savings. Be proactive, be prepared. You've earned it.